Hello, myself Kirti Kumar. In this video, we are going to learn how to create and file in MPLAB XID. First of all, open the software, close all the projects, click on File, New Project, then select Microchip Embedded Standalone Project. Next, then select microcontroller which we have to program. Here we are using PIC Microcontroller, PIC 18 F458 microcontroller. Select it, then tools, select simulator. Next, select compiler XC8. Next, give name to project. Here we are in this video we are going to perform an code for microcontroller which will sense from R which will take input from RB 4 pin and as output RC 7 pin. Input will be door sensor connected to RB 4 pin, and buzzer will be is connected as output to RC 7 pin. Here is program. Let's name the project buzzer on off, and finish. Select the project location at which you have to save it. Finish. Once the file project is created, you will be seeing number of folders in which you have to go to source file, right click on source file. Here we can add C programs as well as assembly programs. We will be continuing with C program as we have existing item saved before. uh, Click on existing item, select the code on and off, select. You will observe file has been uploaded. Once the file is added, as we can see, double click on it, check the code, go to project properties, then go to configurations, simulator, set or check frequency is 10 megahertz and oscillating frequency is 25 kilohertz. After that, go to compiler, select if it is not enable the CCI syntax, which is common compiler interface. Then click on linker, C8 linker, format hex file for download. Click on it, enable it, and apply. OK, and check and build the project. As we can see, build successfully. Save it, Control S. After that, go to folder which it has saved. MPLAB program. As we can see, our hex file is created and C code is set in this file. Next, we will see this code is working or not in simulation in Proteus. Open Proteus, new project, then give name to project. Let's say buzzer on off. Next, create systematic view, systematic. Then do not create PCB. Next, create firmware. Select PIC 18. In PIC 18, select PIC 18 F458. Then compiler as MPX C8. Next, finish. Here we can see our add our program. Source code is open. Click here and add our file main code open. As we can see, our code is open here. Next we will create systematic. Here we will need buzzer, buzzer, switch as input. Let's connect buzzer to pin as per pin RC7. RC7, here it is, and switch to RB4, RB4, so it's RB4, it's RB4, connect this to positive supply, then next ground, provide ground, and double click on it, add hex file to PLAB, buzzer, hex file, open, set frequency to 10 megahertz, and OK. Then simulate it, start run simulation. As we can see, our switch is low, buzzer is on and off, just showing output. As we stop, let's add voltage probe to see output. This is the simulation. As we can see, buzz switch is at low, buzzer is in toggle condition. As we off the switch, provide high signal, buzzer stops. It's the code.